Did you guys hear that? What is that?
Hi, my name is Jason Boyette. I'm the author of about a dozen or so books, including Pocket Guide to the Apocalypse and the new ebook, Pocket Guide to 2012. And recently, YouTube has exploded with a whole bunch of videos purporting to show strange sounds appearing in the skies above various cities around the world. These started most likely with one in the Ukraine, which was posted in August of last year. It also ties into a scene in Kevin Smith's movie Red State, in which people broadcast these loud, trumpety sorts of noises to try to simulate the rapture. And so these various types of videos have been popping up recently, especially in January, especially once we got to 2012 because of all the apocalypse talk. And recently there was one that was purportedly of the strange sounds happening in the skies above Amarillo. Now this video was obviously a hoax. They just ripped the audio from some of these other videos and then faked it. And my kids have come home from school. Their friends are talking about it. Children are nervous. My own kids were wondering if the world's going to end, if the rapture was coming, if these mechanical noises in the sky or these trumpet sounds were anything to worry about. I told them about videos about how you can fake it. They weren't convinced, and so we set out to make our own fake video, our own Boyette-style hoax of strange sounds above Amarillo, just so they could see how it was done. Here's the video we did. I'll show it to you, and then afterwards, stick around and I'll tell you how we did it.
No, do you hear that? Listen. Did you guys hear that? What is that? Let's go inside.
Okay, the first thing you need to know is that there were no real strange noises happening as we shot this video. It was a complete hoax. We went outside and made noises of astonishment and comments of awe and terror as we looked at the sky above us. The only real noise you can hear is some street noise from some cars driving by as we shot this, and then also a little bit of wind noise because it was a windy day and suitably overcast and dreary and sort of ominous looking. Then we brought it into iMovie, and the first thing I did was add a layer of the audio stripped from the Ukraine video so that we've got some of those weird mechanical noises happening, whatever those were. And then we added some other sound effects from iMovie. We added a gong, we added the sounds of a steam train, and then we added an elephant trumpeter. And we took all of those and we dropped the register so that they sounded very deep and monstrous. And we added some reverb, and we started to copy and paste and layer those on top of each other, drop the volume down on some of what the real noise was, and the result is that we've got these strange sounds happening over the skies of Amarillo. My kids enjoyed making it with me. Now they realize how easy it is to fake these. I don't know what those sounds are in the Ukraine, but boy, it's real easy to strip that audio right outside of those and make your own video. And so here's the original video without the scary noises. Enjoy. It's pretty boring.
So what do we do? Is Daisy coming?
No, do you hear that? Listen. Did you guys hear that?
Yeah. I hear that. What is it?
What is that? Do you hear that? What is that?
That is really strange.
What is that? That's so weird. Let's go inside.